Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to add forms to Notion for free. We'll be using Tally forms for this tutorial. Before we begin, we have the links in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. Of course, we want to connect to Notion, so after publishing your Tally form, you want to go over to the Integrations tab. So we're going to click on the form, and then we have the published form, and we're going to go to the Integrations. And then here you have Notion. So go ahead and click in Connect. You will be prompted to log into Notion. Go ahead and click on it. And if you have just one account connected to Notion, it will automatically select the Notion account which you have. And then of course you can see select workspace. If you click on the drop down, then of course you want to click on select pages to access. You can see in this workspace, we have some lists right here. Of course, you have the first to-do list, welcome to Notion, and you want to click on add pages and databases. Of course, if you don't want any of these, you could click on delete. So we're going to click on add access. So here we have to-do list, welcome to Notion, and market strategy, all within this theme space. So we're going to click on allow. On this page, you have connection name. So we're going to give it the name registration form. Of course, we have the connection name, select the Notion account. We have this, and you'll need to select the database. So in order to select a proper database, we have a guide right here. You need to open a database in Notion, click the three dots at the top right corner, select connections, add connections, and then Tally. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're here on our Notion, and we're going to go over to the top right corner. Click on the three dots, scroll down to where we have connections. So of course, after hovering over connections, you can see Tally forms, and this shows that the databases are connected. Going to go back to Tally and then click on the drop down and select a database. Now the next thing we'll need to do is to map our fields. You need to map your Tally form fields to your Notion properties. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. You have some options right here, of course. You want to make sure you're doing that according to what you want. And then we have task name right here. And if you want to add more properties, you can go ahead and do just that. For example, if you want to add email, you can click on that and then go ahead and put in the property. We'll just add one property right here. And then, of course, you scroll down and click on Connect with Notion. Great. So our registration form on Tally has been successfully connected to Notion. Don't forget that we have the links in the description below so you can get a head start and do this yourself at the end of this video. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.